Alright everybody, here's a little update of the Benelli Buzzer engine. Got some polishing done on it. Still got some more to go. It's about, most of the cotton pads that I've gone through so far, but it's shining up pretty nice. I'm not going for perfect, but try to get it looking as nice as I can without going too crazy on it. I don't think it's possible to get these badges anymore, so trying to work around them. So I'm going to kind of leave them original, but I still gotta take the cylinder and the head off, get that all nice and cleaned up. But just mostly been hitting it with some mothers and that white diamond. They're both pretty good. I think the white diamond might be a hair better, but for aluminum, I'm gonna say it's a draw. For chrome, I might give it to the white diamond, but anyway, it's coming along. So in the pan over here, I got the silencer cleaned up pretty good. Still got a lot of polishing to do to it, but got most of the rust off it. Pitted up pretty good at the seam, so that went past the chrome. So just try to polish that up the best I can, but just hitting it with the good old Coca-Cola and the aluminum foil. I kind of learned that trick from restoring some bicycles, but it definitely works good for getting the heavy rust off, because it's basically looking like these handlebars back here. But I got the better set of handlebars sitting in some citric acid right now with a bunch of the other parts. So that's gonna take a little while, since it's been a little cold, and I don't have the water that warm, so it's taking its sweet old time. But that citric acid does work pretty good. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. Probably move on to trying out some of this turtle wax chrome polish. Try to get that chrome a little more shined up, but just thought I'd share that with you guys. Cool little project. Be happy to see it back together and get some clips of it running and riding. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.